could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.
Hi guys, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to create this look. I've got glossy eyelids and glossy lips. I'll tell you about all the tips and tricks that you need to know to create a very nice glossy eyelid look. And to create this look, I'm going to use some of my favorite products from Lakmé's range. This is a full face of Lakme, guys, and you'll find all the links and details of the products in the description box below. So definitely check it out. And now without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to start off with the application of a primer. I'll use Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. Next, I'm going to use a foundation. I'm going to keep the base pretty light for this particular look, so I'm not going to use any concealer. For foundation, I'll use Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I am in the shade N220 Neutral Medium. Now I'm going to blend this foundation with a damp beauty blender. There is one thing which I'm going to do a little differently for this look. I'm not going to apply any sort of foundation on my eyelids. Like, I'm going to cover my under eye area, but I'm not going to apply the foundation on top of the eyelids. To set my base, I'll use Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. I've taken a bit of compact on my powder brush and I'm going to run it through my face. Next, I'm going to take a smaller brush and a bit more compact and apply it right under my eyes because we want a bit more coverage over there. And I'm also applying the compact on my eyelid. Not much, just one swipe is enough. Next, to fill up my eyebrows, I'll use Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Charcoal. Now let's get to eye makeup. For this look, I'm first going to use Lakmé's Infinity Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Pink Paradise. I'm first going to take this shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Next, I'm going to take this particular shade from the palette and this I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. These shades are ultimately going to blend with the gloss which we are going to apply on the eyelid, but it's still very important to form a base before applying the gloss. Next, I'm going to take Lakme Kohl Ultimate Kajal in the shade Ash Brown. I'm going to apply this really close to my lash line and then smudge it. The best thing about this kajal is it comes with a smudger on the other end and it's very convenient to use. I'm also going to use a bit of kajal on my lower lash line and smudge this out as well. I've applied it halfway through, just a little bit. That's it. Now comes the major part, which is applying a lip gloss on the eyelids. I'm going to use Lakmé's Spotlight Lip Gloss in the shade Deep Flamingo. There are few things that you have to keep in mind when you're using a lip gloss on your eyelids. Firstly, it's a tinted lip gloss, so of course the eyelid color is going to change. It's going to become slightly deeper. Next, to ensure that the glossy lids are not creasing, you have to apply a very thin layer of gloss just to get like a bit of shine on your eyelids, and that's about it. If you go overboard, then it can crease on your eyelids and it's not going to look all that good. So start slowly, build it up just a little bit and leave it just at that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, firstly, I'm going to take a bit of lip gloss at the back of my hand. It's a very pretty color, guys. It's a beautiful color. Now, I'm going to take a clean eyeshadow brush, take a bit of lip gloss on the eyeshadow brush, and start applying it just on the eyelid. I'm going to blend it on my crease, but I'm not going to apply a lot of it on my crease. And now I'm going to slowly build this up. Again, keep the focus just on your eyelids and not on your crease. That's it. Once you have your gloss in place, you take another clean eyeshadow brush and smudge the gloss on your crease. If you flick the brush upwards, it helps with the blending. And you definitely need to do this with a very light hand. I do feel that some color is missing on the outer corner of my eyelid. I have some gloss left at the back of my hand, so I'm going to take that and lightly apply it there. And again, with the other brush, I'm going to blend this out. Whenever you're blending your crease, ensure that that brush is not reaching your eyelid too much. I finished both of my eyelids and this is how they're looking right now. Next step is mascara. I'm not going to use false lashes because false lashes don't really go with this kind of a look. I'll use Lakmé's 3D Lash Volumizer. The eyes are complete, guys. This is the zoomed out final look. Next for blush, I'll use Lakmé's Blush Duo in the shade Rose Blush. So this blush doesn't have any chunky glitter, but it does add a bit of shine to your cheeks and it's very subtle. It looks very pretty. Next for highlighter, I'm going to use Lakmé's Moonlit Highlighter. I'm going to use the lighter shade of the highlighter over here. First, I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Next, I'm going to apply the highlighter on my face, but I'm going to keep it very light, like very little highlighter I'm going to apply. And lastly, on my lips, I'm going to use the same lip gloss which we applied on the eyelids. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. You can of course create this look with any color of lip gloss. Lakme Spotlight lip glosses actually do come in a lot of colors, and this particular shade which I used today is one of my favorites from their range. My last and final tip would be, if at any point of time you feel like the gloss is creasing on your crease, then take your ring finger and lightly dab it with your ring finger. We've come to an end of this video, guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then maybe you can follow me on Instagram. I do post some makeup related content and video updates on my Instagram handle, and if you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please consider subscribing. We've of course got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we post daily vlogs. I'm going to leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Do check it out, and if you do like our content, then consider subscribing. On that note, I'm going to sign off for now. You take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.